What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We got the bikes in the back, but none of these are the reason why you tuning in today, man. I know you guys seen the title, man. We taking delivery of a whole new Harley, another one from Copart. This one is actually from Denver, Colorado. We just won this thing yesterday. Now, we could have went and picked it up, but the shipping was a lot cheaper and the weather was a lot better if we just stayed home. So it is what it is. You know, with that being said, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. The driver is just about 20 minutes away. Offload that thing and get that thing going. Get it back here to the house and check it out, man. So let's just load the car up with the stuff we need, the ramp, tie downs, and all that good stuff, because you never know. Of course, the battery charger as well, man. So let's load this stuff up and get up out of here now, shall we? All righty, got the truck pulled up. Got the little one. Yeah. Come on, watch out. All right, we got our straps. We got our ramp. We got our battery freaking jumper box, man. Let's get on up out of here and go meet up with the truck. All righty, man. This is where we're gonna be meeting them at. Long, open street so he can fit and have some time to offload without anybody bothering him. So that's a plus. We'll see how long before he pull up. It should be any minute now. It's starting to rain, unfortunately, man. That sucks. Here it is, guys. Yes, sir. Here it is. Ooh, big Harleys and all that. I'm digging this. Let's check him out. Okay. Look like the shifter might be a little wedge, but no big deal. No big deal, man. This thing, we just got this yesterday from Colorado. All-state insurance. Runs and drives. Okay. It's looking like it's got the 2x2 Vance and Hines. What's up, man?
How's it going, man?
How you doing? Good seeing you. Whew.
Nice bike.
Yeah, it is really nice, man. Good looking out. You came in clutch, like perfect timing. Perfect timing, man. This thing looks good. Gotta
need your help, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Just hold it. It's gonna balance right or left.
Okay.
Slightly. It's not gonna balance bad, but just hold it no matter what.
Okay, cool. I got you.
Okay, I think can you put it in neutral? Hold on, hold it. Okay. Yeah, hold the brake. Put the back right here in the back. Yep. That's good. Это ты меня.
So I'm about to fold this way.
I'm holding.
Oh, okay, cool. You ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, so here it is, man, in the middle of the road. We're gonna move this thing to the other side really quick, but you guys see it. Oh, and it's not raining, man. Let's try to hurry up and load this thing up. We did that quick. I probably should have had him pull right up to the crib. That wasn't no longer than like 5-6 minutes, man, but we gonna get it going, man. Depending on, I would start this thing up and just cruise it back to the house, but we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. Alrighty, man. We can check this thing out. Does look really good, actually. Really good. Now, we still gotta load this thing up. I could ride it to the crib, but just want to make sure everything is good on it. Just want to make sure everything is good. But I really don't see too much and no damage, honestly. This fairing is the worst part, but that's literally nothing. Just need a new outer fairing. Don't really need a new inner fairing. But pretty cool bike, man. Let's get this thing loaded up and get it to the crib and check it out there, man. All right, man. Now, I could load it up in my truck. I really could. But the way it's set up over here is not really no place to get the truck like that. Like, I can pull up on a curb, but I just don't really want to be sitting up on a curb like that. Let's get this first start up and let's hear how it sound, man. Oh, I thought, man, we got to get these jumper cables on this thing and fire this thing up, dog. Let's see. Let's see. Good. Sounding good. Let's see. Woo! Oh my God. Woo! Oh my goodness. I gotta get this thing home, man. Oh man, let's go and get on it, dog. This thing is hitting. This cranberry is something else. This cranberry is something else. Hey Dre, we got one. Me and my boy Dre went in on this one, man. We got one. Oh my God. Oh man, now I'm about to get on this thing and take it to the crib because I was gonna load it up. But it might take a little bit too long. But then again, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm sitting right here with the thing idling. I might as well see if I can get the car at a good enough angle to where we can get it, man. Let's see real quick. All right, I think we got enough slopage to make this happen. We're gonna see. Let's see. We got enough slopage to make this happen. Alrighty, man, we got that thing all loaded up. Now I was gonna ride it home, then I realized I didn't even have my helmet, and it's about to rain, man. I don't know, I don't care how far I'm going. I ain't in AZ or nothing like that. Yeah, you know, they ain't got the helmet policy out there, but we're gonna strap this thing down real quick. Not too many straps just because we only going right around the block, but gonna get this thing strapped up and out of here real quick. Let's go. Alrighty, man, got this thing all loaded and strapped up. Now it's usually about 6 or 7 straps on this joint, but being that we are already damn near at the house, we just gonna go with 2 and cruise our way back to the crib, offload this thing and check it out furthermore when we get there, man. So let's go ahead and dip out and head to the crib. Man, this cranberry is looking so good. So good. Reminds me of that CVO just a little bit, dog. And it's freaking pouring. We literally got the bike right in time. But not in time enough. This thing is getting soaked. Got to clean up this garage a little bit, push this bike back so we can get some more room up here in front. This bike isn't going to be getting assembled no time soon. I could switch these real quick, but not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to scoot this one over and then pull that one off the bike any second, man. So let's get it real quick, dog. Man, we got this thing offloaded. My pants is all wet and slushed up. It literally started icing when we pulled up, man. But y'all see it here in the garage. We about to get this thing cleaned up and check it out a little bit more. But it is here fresh from Colorado, so we're gonna check it out and see what's up, man. It's cold though. Alrighty, now that we got that offload out the way, man, it is freaking pouring down. I had to go back in the house, rechange and everything. My clothes were soaked. Now I'm about to just dry this off, put it on the jack stand, and check out everything else with y'all real quick. And we'll see what's up, man. Let's get this thing on the stand real quick. Alrighty, guys, man, this thing shined up real good. Man, we got red, black, and red, dog. Red is taking over the garage right now. Man, let's just get a closer look at this thing. Looks really good. The Vance and Hines look really good. There's no scratches or nothing on the bag. Little few nicks and stuff there, no big deal. We got the same fender as we got on every other bike. This side looks really good. Looks really good here. I'll spin it around for you guys so you guys can see it in the sun. Need y'all to see the other side in the light. Does look real good in cranberry, man. I'm digging it. And it does sound really good. Sounds really good. Now, the only thing I'm seeing so far that we need is the outer fairing. The inner fairing looks to be okay. We can actually just take this off and color match that up if we want to. Or I don't know, we can just get a new one, call it a day, and just leave this one on there and get them both painted, the new one and the new inner and outer painted at the same time, while keeping this on there so we don't have to take apart the bike. As well as Dre's gonna do his magic, gonna put some bars and stuff on this thing, gonna have this thing looking and riding extra clean. So I'm not gonna be doing any mechanical work to it, but it is all cleaned up, looking as good as can be. My boy is gonna be going to my boy's Dre shop because we're gonna be putting a 21 on there. We're gonna be putting a wraparound, possibly gonna be getting it repainted. I don't know if we're gonna paint it the same color. Would be easier to paint it the same color because it's not too many scratches or nothing on the bag. So we can pretty much just get this outer fairing color matched along with the inner one and get this front fender, well, the wraparound rather. But that one is actually in really good condition. So we're gonna hang on to that one if anything. But all in all, really good looking bike, and it sounds amazing, man. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. It is freezing out here, pouring down rain, but we shining, sliding and gliding, man. This this one's gonna be up for raffle, man. So make sure you guys tune in and make sure you guys catch when we drop the live raffle. You know these things sell out really fast. So just stay tuned for that. But all in all, really great looking bike, man. I'm digging it. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. All right, so now that we got this one all tidied and cleaned up and everything, this one we got paint on the way. It's getting painted as we speak. So any day now, it's like literally cold out here, y'all. So it's like freezing. I can't even tell y'all it's cold right now. This one, we waiting on parts. We waiting on seat and rims for this one. That one should be done pretty soon. And this one, stay tuned to see what we're gonna do, man. I can't wait. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, what do you guys think about the new bike back here, man? Can't wait to see how that thing comes out, man. It's gonna be heading over to my boy Dre's pretty soon. Me and my boy went in on this one, so this one's gonna be a nice one for you guys. You guys are gonna get the everything regular Built by Dre special. So I can't wait to see how this turns out. Like I said, it's freaking freezing out here, man. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna dip back in the house, try to get some warmth because, man, you know, I'm skinny out here. It's freezing, dog. But if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, man, when it warm up, man. Peace.